Hey, what is up guys, this is FNH here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Pardner Pump Shotgun. Alright, so I got this from Dick's Sporting Good, right? The make and manufacturer are Hawk Industries, H&R, Remington, and Richardson, right? So yeah, I got it from Dick's Sporting Good for around $200, right? So this is probably one of the cheapest guns they have. Cheapest shotgun as well as cheapest gun in general, right? So yeah, just doing a quick unboxing. So basically this is what's included when you purchase it. So you get the shotgun disassembled, right? So just to be clear, this is the long gun, right? I believe it's the 18-inch barrel, right? If I'm not mistaken. But this has a pretty good feel to it. Definitely doesn't seem cheap. It does say it's made in China, right? That's where the serial number is, right? Definitely doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. They do include this trigger lock, right? So if you do get it from them. So let me just quickly assemble it and show you guys. Oh, that's been screwed in pretty well. So this is the barrel. Oops, let me take off the red thing right there. So it will assemble. So it's kind of hard to do it at this angle, trying to show it in the camera as well as assemble it. But basically, so the only assembly is that, really, right? So okay, so I got it. So that's the only real assembly that's needed, and then you can just screw this back on, right? Obviously you get the manual with it as well, right? So here's the trigger lock. Let me take that off and show it to you guys. Just cock it back. So this is basically it, right? That's your release cord. Safeties over here. I don't know if you can see, but you can see this is a long gun. I believe 18-inch barrel, right? So I got it at Dick's. It does come in this. So let's see. So that's pretty much it that comes with it. It does have a chokehold on it. I believe it's modified. I just have to double check, but yeah, I think it is modified. But so yeah, so if you are looking for a shotgun, a really beginner shotgun, something very cheap, right? This definitely is probably one of the better shotguns. So this is kind of a replica for the Remington 870, right? I don't want to say a bootleg Remington 870, but they try to make it very similar to that gun. Okay, so it is heavier than that since it's not a wood stock, right? It is all, I don't know what this is, but it's definitely heavier than the Remington 870. But in terms of functionality and different parts, the Remington 870 share very similar parts as well as the way it functions. All right, so yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description below. I will be putting up a video of actually firing this gun, you know, just showing it to you in the range. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But other than that, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Other than that, FNH out.